This has nothing to do with the cleanser. My nose just really itches, so I thought I'd get the camera up. Once again, doing my skincare routine. This is my favourite bedtime top. It's comfortable. Chew. Thank you. Get out my eyebrows. This happens sometimes. It's fine. Just completely random. Phew. Phew. Oh, look at that nice hair. Wow, that is some mental hair going on. Thank you, so bless you.